Hey everyone, I'm Carl with CenturionPro. In our last video, we covered the organization and preparation of your product to create an optimal bucking workflow. If you haven't already watched this video, be sure to do so by clicking on the link above or in the description below. Today we're going to cover how to operate your CenturionPro HP Bucker. Before we get started, I want to cover the most important part about operating our machines, and that's safety. Our machines are powerful. Whether you're using one of our buckers or our trimmers, it's important to dress appropriately. We advise you to remove all jewels, necklace, wristbands, and rings. We recommend against wearing a hoodie while operating our machine. But if you insist on wearing one, make sure you tuck away those strings or tie them away tight so they don't get caught in the machines. Always make sure to wear safety glasses and tie back any loose hair. Now that we've covered that, let's get to bucking. First, you'll want to put your bucker in the best suitable location for your operation, ideally close to your trimming machine so you can streamline your workflow. Operate your bucker in a well-ventilated area in order to prevent overheating. We advise to inspect your HP bucker before each bucking session. It's important to leave the bucker unplugged while you're doing your inspection. First, visually inspect all of the components for wear, damage, and plant matter buildup. Remove the front plate and back top plate. Inspect the rollers for damage or cracking. Ensure the rollers spin freely. Ensure the bucker is free of loose debris. If you've covered all these points and everything's good, let's get to bucking. If not, stop watching this video and go watch our cleaning and maintenance video for the HP Bucker. Using your HP Bucker, pick the smallest hole that the stem will fit in. If you pick a hole that's too big, you'll end up with flowers still attached to the stem and it will require a second run. From time to time, the bucker can clog. If this happens, simply stop the machine, put the selector switch to reverse, switch to forwards, and start the machine again to continue bucking. The control panel comes factory set for optimal performance. Aside from using the speed dial for speed control and reverse function, we do not recommend adjusting any settings without speaking to a CenturionPro tech support rep. You'll notice that your HP Bucker comes with an emergency stop button. Pressing the emergency button will immediately shut down the machine. When in doubt, use this button. It's not hard to get your machine back up and running after it's been pressed. Feel free to use it liberally. We just covered the operations of your CenturionPro HP Bucker. In our next video, we'll show you how to clean and maintain your HP Bucker, so stay tuned. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other great videos to help streamline your operation and make the most of your bucker purchase. If you have any remaining questions or concerns that we haven't covered in these videos, feel free to reach out to us at techsupport@cprosolutions.com. Thank you for watching and happy harvest.